Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Talabat Point to redeem reward. Guys, what you have to do, go to the app. After you log in your app, go to account here section, and after that guys, what you have to do, go to redeem this, go to reward here. As you can see here, this reward option, and after that you will find the point you are accumulated from your order. And when you collected enough points, guys, you can see them redeem existing offer available with the app. And after that guys, what you have to do, existing offers available, as I say, and currently I have 252 points, and it's need 248 more to redeem offer case restaurants. If already you have enough points, guys, simply click redeem button, as you can see here, click on redeem option, and after that you will claim your reward and enjoy the benefits found. So guys, if you found this guide helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. Just guys, you find this offer on the dashboard of this app.